Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to block unknown number calls on your Android device. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead and open up the phone app or call app. Okay, just open it up, and once that's done, just go to the top right and you have here the three horizontal dots. So just tap on it. And once done, go ahead over to settings. Okay, tap on settings, and in here we have caller ID and spam protection. You're going to want to enable it. Okay, and once that's done, don't close the tab yet. Go ahead over to block numbers right here. And once done, tap on block calls from unknown numbers. Okay, tap on the slider right here, and once that's done, you're good to go. Okay. As you can see here, I have a ton of block numbers right here, which is basically automatic. All right. But that's just basically it. That is how you block unknown number calls on your Android device. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.